Hello students, welcome to Exergic Aptitude channel. Bhabha Atomic Research Center has released the notification for recruitment of scientific officers. Let us go through the detailed advertisement and cover some important points. The first most important point to note here is that BARC provides training courses to the students who make it through the selection process. There are two types of training programs. The first one is the orientation course for engineering graduates and science postgraduates. And the second one is the Department of Atomic Energy Graduate Fellowship Scheme, again for engineering graduates and science postgraduates. After the successful completion of these training programs, a candidate is going to be selected as Scientific Officer C in any one of the departments under the Department of Atomic Energy. They have also given the details for the individual training programs. For example, for the OCES, the training will be conducted in any of the 5 BRC training schools that are located in Mumbai, Kalapakkam, Indore and Hyderabad. And then after the successful completion of this training program, that is when a trainee scientific officer scores a minimum of 50% at the end of this training program, the candidate will be posted in any one of the locations under BARC. The DGFS on the other hand is a 2-year fellowship scheme which is awarded to students who not only excel in the selection interview, that means after giving the online examination and after giving the interview, you also have to secure admission in MTech in some institutes which are specified in this advertisement, later in the advertisement, such as IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, IIT Kharagpur, etc. And after their successful completion of the MTech in the institutes that they have mentioned, they will be posted as scientific officers in DAE, Scientific Officer Skill C. So as I said, after the successful completion of the training program, candidates will be appointed as Scientific Officer Scale C, wherein the pay is according to the 7th Central Pay Commission. Depending upon the performance during the training program, during the OCS program as well as the fellowship program, candidates can get 2, 3 or 4 increments. So if we assume that a candidate gets 3 increments, then the starting monthly salary is going to be approximately 95,000. So now let us look into what is the actual selection process. There are 2 ways by which you can be selected. Firstly is if you appear for the online examination that is conducted by BARC itself. The dates for the examination have been mentioned in the advertisement. We'll be covering that shortly. The second way by which you can apply is on the basis of your GATE score. In this case, GATE 2020 as well as GATE 2021, both scores will be able to apply. Candidates who have appeared for GATE 2020 or GATE 2021, both of them can apply. And at the time of application, candidates can choose any one or both of the above screening options. That means you can go ahead with the examination also, and you can also go ahead on the basis of your GATE 2020 or 2021 marks. Now, depending upon your performance in the online examination or your GATE 2020-2021 marks, you will be called for a selection interview, and it has been mentioned that the final selection will be based solely on the performance in the selection interview, subject to physical fitness, of course. So, who can apply for this BARC recruitment? A BE, BTech, BSc in engineering or a 5-year integrated BTech with MTech can apply, provided they have a minimum of 60% aggregate marks in their final examination. Also, if you are going to apply on the basis of your GATE scorecard, then you need to make sure that your qualifying degree as well as the discipline in which you applied the GATE examination in are the same. They have also mentioned the branches which are not eligible to apply, so go through this point also. For example, Masters of Computer Applications or say paper, sugar technology, textile engineering, all of these branches are not applicable. The age limit for general candidates is 26 years, for OBC it is 29, for SC/ST it is 31 years. If you are working in central government or state government or any one of the undertakings, then you need to provide an NOC at the time of the interview. There is an application fee of ₹500. Women candidates and SC/ST candidates are exempted from this application fee. Candidates who are awaiting their final year results can also apply for these positions, provided that you give the final mark sheet by 30th December 2021. The entire application process is online, so candidates have to be very careful in filling in the important details like name, date of birth, email ID, etc. because these details cannot be modified later on once registration process is complete. Also, unique registration number will be generated after the final submission process, which you need to keep note of for future reference. Now, which branches are eligible to apply? They have mentioned the discipline as well as the branches as well as the GATE subject quite specifically in this advertisement. So, go through that carefully. Mechanical, chemical, metallurgical, electrical, electronics, computer science, civil, instrumentation, nuclear engineering. For quality assurance and quality control, a BE, BTech, BSc or a 5-year integrated MTech in mechanical or metallurgy, materials engineering, metallurgy, material science, all of these branches can apply. So go through this carefully. The online application starts on the 12th of July, the last date being 7th August 2021. They have also given the online examination date for slot booking, which is 20th August to 25th August, and the date for the online examination, which is 5th to 12th September. They've also given the date for the selection interview, which will be sometime in October, 4th to 29th October. So you can start your preparations accordingly. To complete the application process, you need to visit this website, barkonlineexam.in. This is what the website looks like. Depending upon your education qualifications, you can select either engineering or science. So suppose we go ahead with engineering, this is what the page is going to look like, and all of the important information is available here. For instance, if you click on important information, then you get all the details that we have covered till now, like the training scheme, the eligibility criteria, the grade and pay scale, as well as information about the online examination that will be conducted by BRC itself. So they have mentioned the examination pattern, the syllabus, as well as some general instructions. Go through them carefully. You can also read the information brochure, which has got all the important details that we have covered just now. Go through each and every point to find out the ones which are relevant for you. To apply online, you need to click here. This will take you to this page wherein you need to click on this checkbox which says that I have read and understood all the information and the information brochure. So as I said, definitely go through the information brochure once on your end as well, and then you can proceed to registration, wherein you need to fill in all your important details and then go ahead and complete the registration process. So you can get recruitment as a scientific officer in Bhabha Atomic Research Center either on the basis of your GATE score or on the basis of your performance in the online examination that will be conducted in September. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. All the best.